beautiful people, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Sasha Gay, and as you can see from the title, today we will be doing a wash day routine. I recently received a curl kit and I received some fabulous products in that box, and yesterday guys, we will be trying those products. I will be showing you a wash routine and incorporating those products I received in my curl kit. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification guys, so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Leave me a comment and let's proceed to the video.
Bad mind and jealousy just get me.
Well people, as you can see, we are here detangling some braids that I placed in my hair as a technique to stretch it. So I start my wash routine on extremely stretched hair so that I will reduce my detangling time. Now my hair is extremely fine. I have very fine texture hair. I would say about 4B. I wouldn't say 4C because my hair is very light. It's very fine. So I don't need more than 4 sections. You can see that I snip off a little hair there. I don't recommend everybody to do this if it's not what you're into, but when I have a knot or shedded hair that is proving to be a little bit problematic at the end to get out of all the bundles of hair, I typically just snip it off instead of, trying to detangle it and possibly cause more breakage. So I'm just removing those braids, and then I'm going to proceed to using the Dr. Miracle's detangling treatment. This was a very nice product. It detangled my hair. It aided in the detangling process, and I always recommend guys that you detangle your hair, whether in the shower or before, depending on what you prefer. I prefer to detangle before because, as I said, my hair is fine. So when it's wet, it's very easily, it breaks easily. The first product I will be using is my shampoo. I am having a little bit of a scalp issue guys, I am. So I'm using the Selsum Blue, and I dilute it in a little bit of water in an applicator bottle so that I can get it directly on the scalp that is giving me the problems, you understand? Because we want to get the product where it's most needed so that we can get the most benefits out of it. The ends of your hair is already fragile. No need to strip it with harsh shampoos in my opinion. So I put my shampoo directly on my scalp and I scrub away, not with my nails. That's not what we're trying to do here. We're not scratch up the brain. You use your fingertips and just massage rigorously to get all of the dirt and scalp problems off of your scalp, and then you rinse. You can wait a few minutes as well, bust a dance, do something. I try to make wash day very light and breezy, so I enjoy some music while I'm washing. You'll see that I'm putting down a few moves and singing, so nobody watch that. Then we are going to proceed to conditioner, and I'm using for this step the greatest conditioner in the world. What you mean? What you saying? This is the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Conditioner. I know it's a mouthful guys, and I use a whole lot of it, and it has great slip guys. Magnificent slip, and that is key in your wash day routine. I would say choose products with great slip, so it will help you in detangling, reducing the workload for yourself. I'm telling you, you need to have slip in your products. And I'm going to repeat the step on all 4 sections, and I detangle as I go along. Now you will realize that I'll go back to the front section because it needed to marinate a little. When you cook some good chicken and you put it down for an hour or so in the fridge and make, it just soak through, and that made right here. So the front was giving me a little challenge, so I decided to just let it sit and marinate as we do the chicken, and then go back to that section and detangle. So I'm proceeding to detangle the back, and I know it look a little bit tacky, but I'm putting the ears on the walls because I don't want them in my drain. Simply put, I don't want them down the drain because I'm not calling the plumber in a Rona time to come and unplug any drains. And I've been doing this for years, guys, and I have never had to call the plumber because I had blocked drains. So you can adapt that tip as well. So I'm on the final section with the conditioner from Shea Moisture. Has excellent slip, guys. And I'm just detangling, separating section by section and taking out any knots that are there. This video is well sped up, but I'm not going this fast and this harsh in the detangling process. I'm actually extremely gentle in this process. And you can see that I don't have a lot of shed hairs based on what you're seeing on my walls. And that also helps you to keep track of your shedding. A few months ago, maybe, I would say, I was having problems because I wasn't really taking very good care of my hair. I'm back on my regimen and I'm washing and deep conditioning every week. Well, at most weeks I am. So I'm now going to proceed to putting in the deep conditioner, and this is a great deep conditioner. Your hair feels moisturized but strengthened at the same time. I don't know, it's like a magic product. And it also has slip, guys. I've never seen any product like this. It's actually my favorite of the entire line of Shea Moisture products. Every line that Shea Moisture has dropped, and trust me, it's a lot. I'm a rehabilitated product junkie, I would say. I went on a no-buy for a few years, and this is the only product that I repurchased. This is actually my staple product. It has amazing slip, your hair feels soft, and it also feels strong at the same time. Have you ever heard anything like this? I'm telling you, I've never, in all the products I've sampled. So I keep going back to this product. This is my baby. This is my baby father. This is the love of my life. I'm telling you. So we are also going to try and get the edges. You know, my edges kind of struggle. Nobody come for me and my edges. Rona kind of do me a favor in that I don't have to comb the hair as often. So it a breeze. And you just go and put on a deep conditioner cap. Well, I don't have one at the time. I can't find mine.
I'm in the ghetto.
I let the deep conditioner sit for 30 minutes, and now I'm simply gonna wash it out. And we done, hunty. We are all done after that. Just checking if there's any knots, any tangles, and I'm telling you, it feels amazing. Do you see those curls? Do you, baby? My hair is feeling amazing and so moisturized at this point. You have no idea. And we are done. You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Share your hair routine with me. We can learn from each other. Thank you for watching. Bye.